Hi there, this is Gia. In this video, we're going to build a record triggered flow. And here is our business use case. We need to create a follow-up case when an installation is sold. Universal Containers company we work with sells generators and installation services. The manager there needs to help track the open installations to see which installations have been scheduled and assigning the installation based on priority. The installation process kicks in when the sales rep closes an opportunity with one of the three products: high installation, medium, and low installation. We can use cases to track installations, and instead of assigning the installation case to a single person, we can distribute it to a group of users, and those users in Salesforce are called queues. Currently, the manager is using spreadsheets to track installations, but the optimal way will be using Salesforce reports. We would also like to automate some data entry to increase Salesforce flow adoption. Current limitations. One way to count the opportunity products user needs to track installation is using roll-up summaries. However, on the opportunity object, we have hit the roll-up summary limit, and we have to rely on flows only. Before start building our flows, we will do some pre-work. In the case object, we would like to create two custom fields: installation date and installation schedule date. The installation date is the date the customer enters to get installation done, and the schedule date will be the date actually put by the service team when scheduling installation. These two fields are date type, date time data type. We'll also need to create two record types to address the need the need for our business case. First, we're going to create a support process, and we'll create the two record types: installation and customer support, associated with our support process. Next, to assign the installation cases, we would need to create two queues: high priority installation and medium low priority installation on our case object. We will also need to create a path on our case object. Here we are in the case installation path, and I have added two additional fields. We just created the installation date, the installation schedule date, and provided a guidance for success. We also like to make improvements to our lightning page in the case record. We're going to just select a sample one, and via the lightning app builder, we'll make sure that we drag the path component to the canvas that appears properly, and we're going to make some updates to the details and the feed tab. And lastly, we're going to simply create a new case to test what we have done so far. I'm going to create a new case with a record type of installation. You see the two record types we created earlier. We're going to just select the required fields. In our case, the case origin. I'm going to select the email, and I'll click Save. Here our new case has been created, and we go and see that our path component appears properly, and also the two fields, custom fields, were created, providing guidance to success.